It's me, Luigi. Oh.
It's me, Mario.
And I'm Kanye.
This is so nice. Oh, hello there.
So, are you ready for
Nintendo
memes?
Let's go. Nintendo Switch has games. I was talking with the Donkey Kong, and he said,
That's racist!
This right here is my favorite thing, ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day.
Don't do that. Stop it. Get some help.
Sub-Zero wins. Flawless.
oh yeah.
I mean, could you film this on something other than a piece of asparagus?
I'ma bet you can't do this.
Oh, it's all.
Check this out.
Hey, yo, what the f***? Bring her.
One day you will have to answer for your actions, and God may not be so merciful.
Welcome to the Wii Fitness Championship.
Oh, hell yeah.
Mushroom Kingdom.
Oh my goodness.
Dear Mario.
It's so funny. That's such a good joke. No, it's not. That wasn't funny. Please, please never speak to me again.
I do not vibe with this universe.
Yoshi.
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 Bro, you're Chad, bro.
Well, he's dead. I can take him, no problem.
3, 2, 1, go! You serious?
Oh, come on!
Wahoo! It's me, Mario.
Hello, Mario. Show me
Mario, smack my ass like a drum.
Okay, brother.
But really? Why? Why would you do that? What?
Okay, but why though?
Hey champ, that's really interesting. Next time, keep it to yourself.
What?
Nice try. Your axe over, but you may win this time.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh my god! No! No! So ridiculous! What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What the fuck? What the f?
He can put my asshole in a casket.
Little toadies.
What the?
Ready? Go!
Luigi?
What? It's your turn, Mario.
I'm tired.
Whoa!
I'm super sexy and famous.
God damn it!
Pokemon. You've heard of Pokemon, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I've heard of Pokemon. Okay. Luigi?
Whoa! Oh, hey, Luigi! I choose you! Go! Hey, Aaron!
What the f?
Where is Aaron right now? I'm the best! Okay!
Mamma mia! What? What is this technology for the future?
Number one in this game, number one in this game, number one in this game, number one in this game. You're messing with Waluigi.
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut the f up.
Oh, you want to play a good game? Well, go to your old buddy Wario. I know a good game. Raid Shadow Legends.
You got a fat ass.
Hey, Mithra! Wanna watch me do a flip?
Do a flip!
Basketball Butcher from a Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia.
How you doing?
You nasty ass bastard!
I eat way too much ass. It affects my nutrition.
La la la! La la la!
Stop posting about Among Us!